Today's video is all about your portable massage table. I will be demonstrating how to unpack it, set it up properly so that it's ready for your massage client, and then how to tear it all down again and put it back inside the carrying case. I will begin by unpacking the massage table, and as you can see, I like to keep the massage face cradle inside of the pocket that comes with the massage table carrying case. Then you just unzip the main pocket of the carrying case here and gently take the table out. This table is an Earthlight table and it comes with these clasps. So you just undo the clasps, go ahead and open the table. There are those wires that you have to make sure don't get caught in the legs, and then gently lift the table up onto the legs. Make sure it's nice and completely opened before you start setting up the table. This is the table warmer. And I like to use a deluxe electric heated table warmer for my table, followed by bath sheet size towels. So these are very large towels that I put over and on top of the table warmer. This acts as extra comfort, also helps keep things extra clean, also helps protect the table warmer. The next layer that I like to put on is a protective sheet set. So this is made out of a protective material. This is the face cradle protector. There's a very nice Velcro system there. It just fits right over your face cradle very nicely. And then once you've put it over the face cradle, you just Velcro the bottom piece in place. And that secures it in place very nicely. This is the fitted sheet. It's a table protector, so it's not a linen sheet that your guests would lay on top of. It's more of a protective layer, very easy to clean and wipe down in between each client to make sure things are nice and sanitized. Next is the linen sheet. So this is a face cradle cover. I'm just showing you that's an Earthlight sheet set. So this little set here is made specifically for massage tables and fits them perfectly. So that, not unlike the protective layer, has a nice Velcro aspect so that the breathing hole is uninhibited and open for your guests. Next is a fitted sheet. And fitted sheets are great. And just keep things nice and neat with your table set up. And then following is a flat sheet. And I do prefer to use white linens. It's just easier to clean. Oil and stains from your massage products are a real challenge you have to deal with, so white is easy to clean. Next is a large bath sheet size towel again, and this just goes directly on top of that flat sheet, and then I fold the flat sheet over top of it. And then lastly, for aesthetic reasons, is a massage table blanket. This is also an Earthlight massage table blanket. I just find that they have created a very nice line of products that fit tables perfectly, and so I really have enjoyed using the Earthlight brand of sheets and table blankets. And that's what the final table setup looks like. Next, I will show you how to tear it down. So you just lift it down like so. And notice that I put the bottom facing up. And I do this because I like to lay the table case, the carrying case, over top of it. I have a shorts video about this. But you just take the table case and pull it directly over on top of the table itself with you see the bottom facing up there. That way you can just close the zippers one at a time and then slowly roll the table and keep closing the zippers as you roll the table, and then lift the table back upright. And now it's upright and you can finish closing all the zippers. And that's the easiest way to put the massage table carrying case back on. And if you don't have a trolley like I do, this is how you carry it over the shoulder. Thank you so much for watching today. and I will see you on the next video.